Here we are at number 19. 35 ways to improve your business. Number 19 is to manage your finances. Now, I did touch on this back in lesson 2 or 3, but I do want to reiterate it because it is such an important aspect of running your business. And it, by laying it all out this way, you'll also be able to see in a visual respect where your money is going. So this is going to be important. So manage your finances, and I mean to the dollar. It sounds pretty strict, but it will help you. So it's most important as a manager or business owner that you know where the money is coming from and where it's going to. You do need to know what bills are being paid, what's not being paid, what money is coming in, and how it's being allocated. This is most important. So you need a detailed profit and loss statement. It's updated and analysed every month. So I would say in the first few days of the new month, so somewhere in the first, second or third of the new month, you go back previous month from the 1st to the 31st, you go log into your bank, or everything that's sort of gone in and come out you need to account for. All the bills you paid, all the rent you paid, stock you've purchased, and all the way down to your petty cash, your milk, coffees for the staff, all that sort of stuff that you've purchased. Everything to do with that business needs to be accounted for. When you put all those numbers in, it'll spit out a net profit at the bottom. And of course your accountant is going to need all of that as well. But after everything has been paid for, including the tax put aside, and you'll need to speak to your accountant. I'm not an accountant, so please get independent financial advice. But make sure you put all that aside, and after it's been, you'll be left hopefully in a positive, so that means your cash flow positive. And then I use the 33% rule, so 33 goes to any shareholders that you may have or any interest in the business. 33 will go into the account as a savings, as a buffer, and the remaining 33% on the business. So you may want to advertise or do some marketing or some upgrades in the store or buy something new for the store or anything like that. So that's any money that's spent on the business. So I am giving you, by the link below, I'm giving you a download profit and loss spreadsheet, and this will allow you to put everything in here. Just see if I can make this a little bit better. Hang on. No, I can't. Okay, sorry. So in here you can't really see it, I'm sorry, but it's got the revenue streams, any incoming. So for the month, pick the month from the 1st to the 31st. All your income, retail sales, you may have some other sales from a store or online, or you may have done a show or anything like that. So all your income is broken up there. Then your general costs, so all your invoices, repairs, you might have done a stock take or any of that sort of thing, so your outgoings, and that will give you your profit and loss and a margin, a profit margin. Any other miscellaneous income that you may have sort of had to have come in, and then of course all your expenses are listed down here, and there's a big list here starting from wages, superannuation, annual leave, taxes, work covers, bonuses that you may pay, any loans you've had to repay. Then it breaks up all your individual costs, advertising, bank charges and interest, all that sort of thing. If you've got a cash delivery system, security systems, any of that sort of thing, any couriers or mail, of course, your electricity and your bills, your phone, all that sort of thing, your internet, any write-offs, any insurances that of course you've paid, all of that sort of thing, postages, referral fees, security, staff amenities, any uniforms, any of that sort of stuff. All of that gets listed all down. So that's from the 1st to the 31st of that month, and it will come out here, and then compared to your income will give you a profit and loss figure here, and you can tell by percentage too. But by looking at that, you can see where you can increase expenditure, you can cut back, any of that sort of thing. It just gives you a visual representation of your business, which is most important. So that's a free download I'm going to give you guys just via the link below. That's all yours. I'd like you to start using it. It's just for your own references. But if you fill that out and you be really diligent in filling that out, and then at the end of the financial year you give that to your accountant, he's going to love you. The accountant is absolutely going to love you for it and make everyone's job a lot easier. So all you need to do is sit down for a couple of hours at the beginning of each month and put in all the details for the month previous. So that's it. Easy to do and easy to manage, easy to keep track of.